So here is how to fix The Last of Us Part 2 Remastered not launching on PC or not launching error. First, you'll need to go to Library and then select the game, The Last of Us, for example, and then right-click Properties, and then go to Installed Files and click Verify Integrity of Game Files. Now that should take a while to check for corrupted files and repair them. Once it's completed, you can close this. And now you can go to GPU app. For example, I'm using NVIDIA, so I go to NVIDIA app. And then in the drivers section, make sure you have the latest GeForce Game Ready driver installed or any relevant driver for your GPU. So that fixes specific problems for games as it updates. Now you can click on this button to check for the latest update, and it should appear here on the top with the green button. If you don't have the latest version, it will prompt you to download and install it. Now once installed, we can start disabling overlays that might interfere with the game. So I usually disable NVIDIA overlay here. Setting NVIDIA overlay and make sure it's disabled. Now you can close this. Also disable Steam overlay. I go to Steam settings and then in-game and disable Steam overlay while in-game. Now you can also try to disable Discord overlay if the game is still not launching. What you can do as well is right click Windows icon, click on installed apps, and then search for Riva Static Tuner or Riva Tuner, and make sure you uninstall it to see if that solves the problem. Now you can close this and make sure you also close Steam completely, and then look for Steam again and right click and run as admin. Now once you run Steam, you should click on play and wait for the game to launch, and hopefully that solves the problem. Thank you guys for watching and subscribe.